So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, what's the best computer setup for trading stocks and options? So I'm assuming that a lot of people who are listening to this right now, or if you found this online, you're trying to figure out, okay, if I'm going to start trading stocks or options, do I need some supercomputers to actually get this done? Do I need some advanced software, some advanced monitoring system? And the answer to all that stuff is absolutely no. It's total garbage. I don't think that anybody actually needs these super mega computers to do trading either in stocks or options. So this industry has advanced so much so in the last even 5 or 10 years that the ability to trade from just your phone or your iPad or your laptop is light years ahead of where it was even 10 years ago. So when I started trading, I still used a regular computer, but I had upgraded servers and RAM and memory and all those things that really nobody needs now because it kind of comes standard. And so nowadays I still see people searching for or asking the question, what kind of computer setup do I need? Do I need 5 monitors? Do I need this, arm that comes out of the desk and hovers over me with the screen that tracks time and sales? And the answer is, of course, no. In my opinion, I think most of this stuff is actually just a lot of noise. It's meant to make people look and feel like they're really special and important because they've got 17 monitors in their office. I just don't think you need to do that. I think that creates a lot of complication. It's a lot of analysis by paralysis in many respects. So I use just a regular Mac computer. I love my Mac. I've got a MacBook Pro for laptop when I travel. I have my iPhone, which has the Thinkorswim and my trading apps on it. And that's it. I don't need anything else. And I can do everything possible in one of those 3 devices. So hopefully this helps out. Hopefully it saves you a ton of money by not going out and buying a bunch of garbage computer and software and screens and desktop stuff because you just don't need it. Ultimately, your time and money would be better spent actually making investments and actually doing trading than trying to buy all the fancy equipment around it. So hopefully this helps out. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.